everyone, I'm Deepti Srivastava and you're watching my YouTube channel. In this series of 5 reasons why I love Chennai, I have already shared the first 3 reasons, that is people, food and opportunities. If you haven't watched them, I will leave a link for them on the top here. In this video, I will share the 4th reason why I love Chennai, that is the standard of living. Chennai is well known as the biggest cultural, economic and educational center of South India. Located on the southern coast of India, Chennai attracts the maximum number of foreign tourists in India. Also ranked as the safest city in India, Chennai stands out for its hospitality and is among the top cities in the world. Not only tourists, but Chennai is also flocked by students as well as job seekers. Not only due to its affordable cost of living, but also for its brilliant educational infrastructure and multiple big companies based here. Chennai is also known as the Detroit of India, is home to more than 1/3 of automobile industry. Having all these varied options of job opportunities makes Chennai one of the best cities to settle down in India. Chennai has one of the largest bus networks in all cities. There is regular service for every location in Chennai. Although it gets crowded in peak hours, buses are the cheapest mode of travel in Chennai. Chennai also has an expensive local train network which is used by thousands of commuters daily for their commute. Local trains are very regular and one of the cheapest ways to travel around Chennai, with excellent connectivity around the city. Metro train service started in 2015 and is currently running on 2 routes with plans of further extension. A major part of your budget goes into the monthly utility bills also. This contains your electricity bill, water bill, telephone, TV, gas, internet, etc. Due to water scarcity in Chennai, these prices can differ from place to place. The average monthly expenditure on utilities would come around 2,000 to 4,000 depending on your location as well as uses, which plays a major role in deciding your overall cost of living in Chennai. Chennai has several big malls to cater to your shopping needs. A trip to any mall with shopping can set a back by Rs 2,000 to 5,000 depending on your shopping. Chennai has also lots of local markets where you can bargain and get some good stuff at good prices. Places like T Nagar, Georgetown, Ponji Bazaar are a must visit if you believe in budget shopping. Although, remember to brush up your bargaining skills before you visit these places. Chennai, being a coastal city, offers you with some amazing places to spend your evenings at. Marina Beach, which runs for 6 kilometers, is the longest urban natural beach in the country and a perfect place to watch the sun go down. Elliot Beach is another popular destination for locals to spend their time eating the variety of food on offer. There is also Birla Planetarium for the people inclined towards science. A city being expensive depends on many factors like the cost of living and the standard of living. When compared to other big metropolitan cities, Chennai turns out to be more affordable in terms of accommodation expenses, entertainment expenses, and transportation expenses. Therefore, we can say that Chennai is an affordable city. This is it about the standard of living in Chennai. In the next video, I will talk about the 5th reason why I love Chennai, that is the location. If you are new to my channel, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video.